A true leader is one who not only leads by example but also inspires every individual who comes in contact with him. Our founder, Sri Narendra L. Mehta sir, is one such visionary who has shaped the lives of many, not only as a political leader, but also as a committed educationist at heart. His deep concern for nurturing young mind and his unwavering belief in helping students achieve the seemingly impossible. Our chairperson, ma'am, Mrs. Suman Mehta, an accomplished academician, possesses a strong instinct to lead with clarity, precision and determination. Her firm resolve, academic insight, and continuous support provides direction and strength to the entire school community. Adding to this strong leadership foundation is our young and dynamic director of the 7-Eleven companies, Mr. Takshil Mehta, a true emerging leader who leads with vision and enthusiasm. His recent selection as a president of BJP Student Cell marks a significant milestone in his leadership journey and reflects his commitment to service, responsibility, and purposeful leadership. With such motivated and inspiring individuals leading the 7-Eleven family, the academic journey of 25-26 was nothing short of engaging, enriching, and inspiring. From the very beginning, the year unfolded with purpose, enthusiasm, a shared commitment to excellence in education. Pre-primary section, the foundation year, where learning begins with joy. The strength of a school lies in the strength of its foundation. Our pre-primary section focused on learning through exploration, play, and experience, ensuring that education begins with joy. Children actively engaged in hands-on and life skill-based activities that developed fine motor coordination, independence and self-help skills, social and emotional development. Activities such as piece shelling, roti making, muffin making, buttoning, folding, washing help children learn responsibility in age-appropriate ways. Celebrations like Colors Day, Pet Day, Family Day, Friendship Day, Children's Day, a tiffin party nurtured emotional bonding and confidence. Cultural and value-based celebrations including Ganpati Festival, Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Navratri, Onam, Diwali, Christmas, and joy of giving introduced children to tradition and gratitude. Educational visits and events such as Animal Kingdom, Sports Day, Annual Day, and field visit to gardens, markets, Gurdwara, and the police station helped children connect learning with real life experiences. These visits instilled a fearless approach and empathy towards our police force. Our pre-primary program ensures that children develop not only readiness for the formal schooling, but also a love for learning. Primary and secondary section, purposeful learning with impact. The journey from the primary to secondary education is a thoughtfully planned continuum that ensures steady academic and personal growth. The primary section focuses on building strong foundations through curiosity, conceptual understanding, communication skills. The secondary section builds on this base by encouraging deeper learning, critical thinking, and independent expressions. Together, both stages offer a balanced blend of academic and co-curricular experiences. A significant academic initiative across both sections was the DEAR program, Drop Everything and Read. This program nurtured a daily reading habit, improved language fluency, enhanced concentration, and fostered a lifelong love for books. Closely aligned with this was a celebration of World Book Day, during which students actively participated in book donation drive. This initiative encouraged a reading culture while instilling empathy, sharing, and social responsibility. To strengthen general awareness and logical thinking, GK and math quiz competition were conducted. While the GK quiz broadened students' understanding of the world around them, the math quiz enhanced problem solving ability, numerical reasoning, and analytical skill, particularly among secondary learners. Keeping pace with emerging technology, students participated in AI competition, which introduced them to computational thinking, digital awareness, and innovation, preparing them for the future-ready learning environments. Communication and expression were given equal importance through debates and TED-style talk. These platforms empowered students, especially at the secondary level, to develop confidence, articulation, logical reasoning, and leadership. While learning to respect diverse viewpoints, it was inspiring to witness young learners present their thoughts with such clarity and confidence. Language development was further strengthened through Hindi creative writing and Hindi storytelling competitions. Conducted as a part of National and International Hindi Day celebrations, these activities enhance linguistic skills, imagination, cultural appreciation, and expressive ability, helping students remain connected to their linguistic root. एंड आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि हिंदी में अपने हस्ताक्षर करना was itself a novel and enriching experience for all. At the foundation level, show and tell, debates, and education activities played a crucial role in building confidence, vocabulary, presentation skills, and self-expression, serving a stepping stone for advanced communication platform in higher classes. Empowering the school community. To ensure the holistic growth of all stakeholders, the school taken following initiatives: micro-teaching workshop for teachers, parent seminar, parenting in the world which never logs off, cybercrime and self-awareness sessions conducted by police personnel, an eye-opening initiative. We are grateful to our police force for taking time out for the demanding schedule for this important social cause. Well-being and meditation workshops. To promote mental and physical health of students and teachers, a special session was conducted collectively for them. Special assemblies. Our morning began with school assembly, an integral part of our daily routine. Assemblies provide students with a platform to learn, share information, and develop public speaking skills. Special assemblies offered meaningful insight into important days, celebrations such as World Environment Day, International Tiger Day, Parents Day, Guru Purnima, Founder Sir's birthday, Gandhi Jayanti and Rally, Joy of Giving. Events that define the year. I recommend in the time of digital tsunami, introduce your child to a sport. We conducted inter-school 7-11 football tournament. Around 40 teams participated, including both boys and girls teams. This grand event was a collective effort led by our sports HOD, Mr. Raja Makwana, Tejas Sir, and the entire sports and PE team. Annual Sports Day, a celebration of sportsmanship, endurance, and teamwork with enthusiastic participation from both students and parents. Life skill activities. In alignment with the NEP 2020 guidelines, the school conducted a range of life skill based activities aimed at nurturing independence, responsibility, and practical learning among students. Activities such as preparation of healthy chocolates, lemonade, eggless muffin introduced children to basic self-help and nutrition skills. Lesson on table manners and table setting helps inculcate discipline and social etiquettes. Creative and value-based activities like cleanliness drive, preparing a first aid box, and creating money-saving jar encourage creativity, hygiene awareness, safety consciousness, and financial responsibility. These activities played a significant role in holistic development by blending learning with real-life experiences. Parent-Teacher Association. As always, our PTA members remain actively involved and committed to strengthening the connection between parents and school management. They were kept informed of every achievement and milestone of the school. We sincerely thank them for their relentless support. Students' achievements. Our students brought laurels to the institution through remarkable achievements at district, state, and national levels in academics, sports, and co curricular activities. Girivardhan Mahesh, a SECO state level karate championship winner of bronze medal. Janit Bhuta, Grade 2 Pacific, bronze medal district level archery championship. Ishani Sinha, Grade 2 Arctic, first position in the regional level abacus competition. Govardhan Mahesh, Grade 3 Diamond, first NSCA Interstate Level Open Karate Championship. He has won silver and bronze medal. Vihan Mahala, Grade 4 Citrin, Sikokai State Level Karate Championship, secured bronze medal. International Japan Karate Championship, secured second prize. Ridya Patel, Grade 3 Platinum, third winner Padma Indian Abacus Mental Arithmetic Competition. She cleared Kathak Gandharva exam level 1. Vivan Gandhi, Grade 5 Kautilya, All India Tennis Association and Maharashtra State Lawn Tennis Association, a semi-finalist. Bhumi Devdiga, Grade 5 Amrita Sen, Abacus State Level Competition Merit in State Level and Zonal Level. Sharvani Khodke, Grade 5 Amrita Sen, Thane District Roller Skating Championship, silver medal and bronze medal. We are proud of their achievements and our heartfelt congratulations to our parents. Accolades and recognition. 7-Eleven Education Society's unwavering commitment to excellence for almost 2 decades has been recognized on various national and international platforms. Our respected chairperson ma'am has been conferred with the Global Beacon of Excellence Award in K-12 Education Conclave held at the 32nd World Education Summit in Dubai, awarded for her visionary leadership and contribution to education. Seven Square Academy Thane has been recognized with distinguished awards, including recognition at the Mimamsa Mumbai chapter, Best School for Promoting Holistic Education at the Leadership Excellence Conclave 25 by Sahodaya. Seven Square Academy Thane has been awarded by Hindustan Times in the Principals Conclave for their contribution in education, acknowledging consistent academic excellence, innovative practices, and holistic development. As we conclude the year gone by, we look ahead with renewed hopes and aspiration, ready to add new achievements to our strong foundation. Our commitment to providing world-class education and nurturing environment is continually strengthened by our management. A true reflection of this promise is newly added floors and upgraded facility for our K-12 students, that is nursery to grade 12 students. Dear parents, thank you for your unwavering support, trust and patience in all our endeavors. Together we are building a beautiful and nurturing world for our children. God bless you all. See you at school. Thank you so much.